Okay, how are we going to do this? There are so many cars to look at. The place is dead quiet. I'm here after hours with special permission. Thank you to the people that run the show for providing me with the opportunity. I'm on my way to go inspect a vehicle on the property. There's a dispute with the insurance company as to the value of the vehicle, so I've been hired to rectify that situation. So I'm going to walk down the other end to get there. So I decided to make this little video as I walk along, and you guys can all watch as I get to where I need to go. We're going to start with this 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner 446 pack, so it's an A12 car. And I'm just going to walk right down the line. This is where that is a cool little go-kart. I got no engine in the back. Nope. It's a cool little cart with the MCACN logo on it. Okay. So you have a 70 Superbird over there, a GTX over here. We're just going to walk the line because I got to get to going. Get myself to work. Another 440 Roadrunner car. Challenger TA from our other video. Those are 1970 only. They're all 346 pack cars. Exhaust exits out in front of the tires. There's some other special things as well. Here's a ZL1 Camaro from Nicky Chevrolet. Here's another Camaro. Oh, let's see. It's been a long day, and we're deep into the evening here, so. You got an Oldsmobile. This is American Muscle Car and Restoration's display. They have some of the nicest cars on the property. They do absolutely incredible work. They got a couple Mopar cars and a GTO. They also have a business where they do restorations of instrument panels and the gauges. And that is some absolutely phenomenal work. Highly recommended. More Chrysler cars, Dodge. This should start the beginning of Bill Stasic Chevrolet, who's a major sponsor of the show. It's going to have Camaros and Corvettes. I think there's a C8 in here somewhere. Usually they have big banners up in the sky, but not this year. There it is, red C8, Rapid Blue C8. They still call it Rapid Blue in 21. Convertible, 15 C7, C6, another C7. Is that a C7R? And who can guess the color of this car? Oh, that's an LT1 Camaro. Not a 1LT. That's an interior trim package level. This is an LT1. That's basically a stripped down Super Sport right there. Lightweight. Those cars can be badass. There's a orange C8. Well, the sign says it's a Callaway development car. So here's a first generation Corvette and another one. Oh, I want to stop and look at these cars badly, but I need to get to work. These are all first generation cars. Here's a C2. It's a 1963. tell by the louvers on the hood. And GTO, and a Buick, more Corvettes. Another 427, 435 car. Here's another 63. And another 63. Kind of look like twins. A little bit. A couple of 63s. One's a convertible. One's a hardtop. So this is going to be the infamous split window car. And there is just cars upon cars upon cars as far as you can see. There's a whole section of Corvettes over there. There's a whole section of barn finds that they got all set up over here. Here's Arnie Bestwick's race car. This guy is one badass dude. '70 GTO Judge. GTO convertible, custom truck. This is kind of the custom section a little bit over here. We've got a GER license plate, so obviously that's a GTO. Here's another GTO. I think this style hood on the 71, 72 GTO is menacing looking as it comes down behind you in your rear view mirror. There's a full-on custom Mustang with a really nice display. Chrome rotors, calipers, brackets. I see control arms, strut rods, chrome sway bar, chromed exhaust. This thing's got chrome everywhere. It's an incredible display. And it says it's a Boss 429 car. That is a whole lot of brake work under the hood of that car. Here I am trying to film, but I'm also trying to look at the car at the same time. It's a fight between me and the camera. And you guys as the viewers are the losers. Because sometimes I'm not having the car centered. Maybe you're just looking at a flat panel or something. But not easy doing this sometimes. Another couple of Mustangs right over there. This is a, what is this? This is a, oh, it's a Formula with a shaker hood. So this is a 73 Super Duty Formula. And they did not have the typical Formula hood. The Super Duty cars had the Trans Am shaker. And it's a 4-speed car. So for 1973, a Super Duty Formula with a 4-speed, they only made 10. So this car is one of 10. It's Admiralty Blue. Who knows how many were made in this color combination. This car, out of those 10, this car may ultimately be a one of one. Here's an Oldsmobile W30. Again, they have red inner fender wells in the front, which is proper. A couple of race cars over there. Actually, I see 4 race cars. I see that Ford Fairmont over there. That's been here before. A couple GTOs. I see Orbit Orange over there. You can spot that a mile away. More cars parked over there. A bunch of displays over there. And a whole bunch more cars in that other room over there. So, anyway, we're going to end this segment right here. And I'm going to seek out the vehicle that I need. And I need to get to work. Hope you all enjoyed the walkthrough. It's a partial walkthrough. This place is huge. We'll be back with more.